and a police personnel was dragged on the bonnet of a vehicle in Madhya Pradesh after he attempted to stop it for violation of traffic rules. The footage recovered from the CCTV cameras shows that the police official was trying to stop the approaching sedan at a busy market area in Jabalpur, but the vehicle keeps moving towards him, forcing the official to jump on its bonnet to save himself. The police personnel, identified as sub-inspector named Surendra Yadav, later fell on the road after the driver increased the speed of the car. He is reported to have sustained injuries. A case now has been registered and the investigation is underway.
Control to all CSP Sawan sir. My duty से आपका आदेश हुआ है सर जी 8 से 12 में जो प्रतिमाएं विसर्जित होनी थी सर, ये हो गई है।